Hi everyone, and thanks for watching today's episode of what's in my Aliexpress basket. We have lots of goodies here for you today, and all of the links will be found in the description if you want to purchase them. So first off, I have these wonderful 4-pack of stencils. Now I don't have any of the prices at hand. What I've done is I'm going to just put them all in the links, because then it means I can actually list more products for you. But look at these gorgeous set of 4 stencils, and then there's another set of 4 which are these there's a French Paris theme one. There are a postmark, a postcard, and sort of like text as well. So this one here has like a this one's floral, should say floral, and then this one is some lovely adverts, and then we've got this French themed one as well. Then we have this lovely lace, flower lace, like appliques, embellishments. They are absolutely stunning, and they're quite big as well. They would look gorgeous on any project. They are beautiful. I'm loving them. Very, very pretty. And then I have some more flower trim. This is a floral lace, and you can get it in different colours. You don't get an assortment. You have to either choose from one of the colours. I've chosen the 2 pink ones because I think that they are beautiful, but I love the yellow and the blue as well. I've got quite a few trims here today. And then we have another tassel, almost a tassel lace trim, and they again, these come in different colours as well. Quite vibrant colours. I have actually gone for the safe one, the peachy colour at the top and the white, but I don't really do purple, but it does look nice, especially with the green and purple looks nice. Then we have this lovely lace trim, and you can either get it in beige or it says brown, but it's an actual beige or creamy sort of colour. But it's beige or brown as it's listed, but look how decorative that trim is. It's just lovely. And then excuse me, I think I have a couple more coming up. We have this flowered trim, floral trim. Sorry about that. I tried to mute my phone earlier and it was having none of it. So yes, this is a floral embroidered sort of look trim. It is just beautiful with the flowers and the leaves. And then I have a lovely, lovely lace, really wide lace trim as well. It's very delicate, very, very delicate. Then we have some embellishments. These are filigree charms, and they get a pack of, I think it's 20. Yeah, I think it's about 20 you get. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that one. And there's another design here as well. And these are just super pretty to go. Oh my gosh, these are just going to look gorgeous as a centerpiece on a junk journal. Right, then I have these loose sequins. So if you're needing any sequins, do not look any further. These are loose sequins, and they come in a wide, about 20 different colours, 25 different colours. And it's showing how big they are. Excuse me. Okay, now we have some like astrological sign dies. So you've got your Pisces, your Gemini, your Aries, your Sagittarius. So you've got the word, and then you've also got the symbol, but you have to buy them individually, and you can see them here. They're very gorgeous. I mean, look, these are just lovely on projects, and something different as well, and you can personalize them to the recipient. Got to love them. Okay, now this is a stamp and die set, and it makes these gorgeous flowers. You buy the stamps and the dies separately, but I think that they are very, very, very pretty. That's the stamp, and then this is the die. And then look at this very cute girl die. Isn't she adorable? I already have it. I will let you into a little secret. I already have this die, but I forgot to show you, and I haven't made her up yet, and I thought I would just share this with you. But I am buying this as a treat for somebody. But isn't she super pretty? Love her, love her, love her. Okay, so this is a floral die corner piece. It is quite big, it's very decorative, and that's, you know, would spruce up a card or a junk journal, whatever project you want to put it on. Then we have this this is like a background die. You can use it on the sides of cards or on tuck spots, etc. Just very pretty. Look how beautiful that is and how lacy. I mean, you know, really super fast cards with that die. You would just need to just like put some little gems in there. Look at this one I found. This is a makeup stamp set with the dies, and I love the mascara. Look at the little mascara that you've got on there. That is just too cute. You'll see some examples in a minute. And now Bing has just got on my shoulders like he always does. Ow. And you can make some really super lovely cards, but I do love the mascara and the lipstick and the nail varnish and the heart. It is lovely, and you get quite a lot of dies in there as well. This is a flower die, and you've got all these pieces, and I believe there's a stamp set to go with that as well. Yeah, that's a stamp and die set. What am I talking about? There you go, shows you it there. And if you're needing some stitched circles, there is a set here, and I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think, if I've got that right. And so you know, you wouldn't need any other circles there. Now this is it's like a little pocket and then a little border edge, and this makes such pretty projects. I mean, I can't wait to use that and just use that as a little tuck spot for a tag in a journal. But you can put it on a bag, you can put it on a card, you can put it on a tag in your journals. And you've got this like wreath lace, or the lace frame, or the wreath, so you buy them separately. Now this is a really interesting set of dies, and there are two. There's the round one, or there's a heart one, and it makes, wait till you see what it makes. Look at this card that it makes. Is just gorgeous, and it cuts out all of the bits that you need in order to make that card, or this one that's coming up. Look, it has all of those elements, and there's a circle one, and there's also a heart one. Then I have some ephemera sheets, and these are stunning. These are really lovely. Grocery lists, boarding passes, I think these are all different ephemera, and they are really inexpensive. They just look absolutely gorgeous. I've got a couple of packs of these, and there's another one coming up in a minute, just about now. Here you go. And this has got some gorgeous images of ladies, and very feminine and vintage, just gorgeous, and lots in this pack. I think there were 70 pieces in the other one. I'm not sure how many pieces are in this one, I can't remember. Not as many. I think the other one has 70, but I didn't write down how many this one has, but you can see it does have a lot of pieces. And then I found these floral stickers, and they're on like a clear background, so they're almost like on a see-through sort of thing, you know, when you put them on your projects. Excuse me. And these are sticker sheets. I know I said I'd get no more stickers, and I keep getting more. So, okay, I only got one pack. And then we have this dress die that you can make cards with, or you can make little treat boxes, as you will see in this next picture that's coming up. Look at these lovely excuse me, treat boxes that you can make, or you can just make tags and dress them up. Really lovely. Those are the dies that you get. Excuse me. Then I have a fairy stamp set, which has a lot of gorgeous sentiments. I'm so sorry. Whenever Bing gets on my shoulders, I swear his fur makes me cough. So this is the stamp set, and that's what's in my basket today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to purchase any of the products, please look at the description. You will see a link to all of the products there. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Don't forget my giveaways that I'm doing at the moment. You know, come along and take part, and you might win yourself some goodies. So see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.